show you how to set up your defense and kind of give an overlay of all the buttons real quick on Good Game Empire. It's kind of a smash together. I'm going to do the defense first because I'm going to be putting this in my alliance description, and I'm going to have them use it for setup. And also, if you want to figure out what these buttons are for, I'll show you about those because Good Game Empire doesn't really explain it all that much when you're lower level. So this is also, as I said before, these are going to be a lot of training videos and tedious little stuff that lower level needs to know. You can get into your defense from here, or by going down to this military button here and going up to the defense place. You're going to go for level 70. You're going to want to go 100 right flank or 100 left flank. Either all melee or 80% melee and 20% ranged. So you'd go here, move this guy all the way over to something like that, and you would click on these to switch them from side to side. For a level, you could do that. That'll help. You could also go 50-50, which is, let's see if I can get this a little bit closer. And we're going to move this guy over here. And we're going to put up murder holes. This one, either one of these two. You're going to put them probably one slot or two slot deep, and then you're going to put all of these in one slot. You're going to put 4 of them because that's the most you can get as a lower level, 4 waves. As a level 70, you're going to want 6 bombs, but as a lower level, you're going to have these probably 4 deep, and you're probably going to want 1 or 2 slots. And as you level up your wall, you're going to add more. One side could be 60-40 for ranged melee, or a little bit more. We could go let's go as I said, 70 or 60-40. Close enough. And then you could do the other side all ranged with slits and stuff. But as I said, it's all up to you on what you would prefer. But I would honestly just stick with the bombs because it's easiest to do as a lower level, and as a level 70, you don't really would have to change it at all. And the one thing you'd have to remember is the moat and having the moat. Make sure you have the best in the moat. And then I'm going to tell you about the buttons. That's the defense. Make sure you have the moat, bombs. I don't really know any other level 70 setups. This is kind of like the basic offline setup. You're going to want to change it if you're online and it's a bigger attack and stuff. So you're going to want to change it as you're online and see how it goes from there. And now onto the buttons on the bottom. You've got your achievements. And in achievements, you're going to get your rubies and your other symbols. A little known fact about it is everybody assumes that the symbols are all rubies. That is in fact false. If you go into here, and if you look at these right here, these are all coin. And then you've also got this guy here. I don't really use him because I don't have any sense or purpose for this one, but as you can see, he's coins. So is this one and this one, and they help a ton in glory and food. Then you're going to have your alliance thing, which is going to pop up with your alliance and your mail, your rankings to see where you're standing. You've got the map of the kingdoms. If you click on it, I'll show you. Oh, So you got your kingdoms here, Storm Island, and then the Burmon's usually over here. You've got go to your castle, which means go inside your castle. That's pretty straightforward.
Are you bringing the TV? I'm sorry, I'm not. We gotta hurry this.
Your equipment, you're gonna want to go in there a lot to check out your equipment and such. And the equipment you can get set up your commanders, your castellans, and everything like that. And then we're gonna move on to construction, which as you get a higher level, you unlock build items, which you're gonna want to do. They help a ton, as you can see. I have almost 9,000 food per hour. I have 9,000 food per hour at my main. Your construction, where you're gonna go in and
Dude, if you're watching,
where you're gonna go in and get your expand your castle and stuff like that. And you're gonna have military. This won't load. I'm sorry. And you have your military. You're gonna have your recruitment, your tool production, and your defense. You're gonna have governance, which is gonna have your overview of like all your castles and stuff like that, and your food, your public order, that kind of thing. Your troops, your tools. Research. It'll bring you to the research tower. If you can't find it, that's a good button to know where it's at. Management. This is where you can abandon your outposts and stuff. Change your castle names. Jump to those castles, even though that's kind of silly because you always have to be inside the castle to get to it. Hunting, there's the food lodge. If you can't find it, that's another place to find it. Your adventure used to be down here. That's your map of the pieces you find. The King's Market that has all your ruby currencies and stuff that like your VIP, your friends, your specialists, and the big guy that you want is the overseer. As you can see, I have him for a while. Maps, and maps is a big one you want to have. Kind of look it over. This one's the dumbest one. This one isn't that good. This is good to have. This is also good to have. Feast is awesome. Recruitment slot is awesome. Your symbols, moving your castle, your overview, travel overview of like resources and stuff like that. And then the fusion forge that you unlock at level 70, which is a level 70 thing that you want. And I'll get into that later on, but there you are.